Hi viewers, welcome to my channel KashFix. Today we're working on, there's a small oil leak happening under the engine right above on the oil filter, and I found out that there's a oil pressure switch is leaking. Let's go ahead and get started. So whenever you're doing an oil change and wondering, you see some oil on the AC compressor, few drops on the oil filter, you wonder where is it coming from. It's actually coming from right here. This is the oil pressure switch is right there with the white connector. That's is leaking. So let's go ahead and get this thing replaced. Press it and pull it out like this. Just move this away. Okay, and now let's go ahead and just pull it out a little bit. Okay, and take the 21mm socket and just simply unscrew it. So here's the 21mm socket. You're gonna plug into this switch like that. You're gonna plug into the switch like that and just loosen up. All right, so you would need to just simply unscrew this and remove the plug. Let's see if I can move with my hand. Like that. And simply just take it out. It should be prepared to collect some oil. And there's a new part we're gonna replace. So here's the old one. As you can see, it was leaking bad. So let's go ahead and put the new one in. Start with your hand. It's right behind the filter. It's not that great location, but you can do it. There you go. As you can see, I started with the hand. Now I'm gonna put my camera down. I'm gonna tidy it and I'll be right back. All right, as you can see, the switch is in place. It's right here. Everything is nice and clean. Just snug it, do not over tight it. I do not know the torque, but you can just simply snug it. Don't apply a lot of force. It will seat itself. And the last thing you need to do is just go ahead and plug this connector back and check the leak. We'll be all set. The plug is in, as you can see. I'm just gonna clean up the spill, start the car, and make sure you don't have any leak. So this is how we replaced 2017 oil pressure switch. Again, it's a 20mm socket. It's a pretty straightforward procedure. Thank you very much for liking and subscribing my channel. I'll be right back with some other helpful video.